Property management plan is presented by your own Edsel A. Dumael. The executive summary. This property management plan outlines the strategic approach managing the residential property owned located in the municipality of San Vicente. The plan the plan aims to ensure the optimal operation, preservation, and profitability of the asset. Its purpose first is to guide the effective day-to-day long-term management of the property while maximizing its revenue potential and preserving its value. Next is the key goals and objective. The first is ensure full occupancy with reliable tenants. Uh, uh the design of my property is occupied by the three bedrooms in the second floor and two bedrooms in the ground floor. The second one is maintain structural and aesthetic condition. The third one, maximize income through appropriate rental pricing. The fourth one, implement efficient tenant and facilities management. The last one is promote compliance with local and national real estate law. The next is management approach. This plan adopts a proactive tenant-centric and cost-efficient approach focus, preventive maintenance, technology-enabled administration, and community engagement. The property profile of my property is letter A is the property information. Property name is, I assume it's Dumail Residential Lot. Location is Barangay San Jose, San Vicente, Camarines Norte. And the type of property is residential. While the fixed area is 236 square meters. Then the title number of the original certificate of title is 2022 00 and 183. Its zoning classification based on the CLUP of the municipality of San Vicente is residential. Assume based on location. Its physical description its physical description units or floor is one residential unit with second floor. Its construction materials is concrete. Common areas, front yard or setback, utilities, power or the Camarines Norte or Electric Corporation cooperative instead. Water is barangay water system, then the waste is collected by the LGU. Letter C is legal and ownership details. The registered owner, Edsel A. Dumael, then the property administrator is my mother, Elizabeth A. Dumael, and the current tenancy status is vacant. But Miss Mian Maganas plan to occupy the space. The third part of the property management plan is management objectives, short-term goals, conduct minor repairs and cosmetic upgrades. Second one, market to prospective tenants, install basic security and lighting. My medium-term goals is improve landscape and fencing, secure formal rental agreements, introduce online payment and communication channel. And the long-term goals is increase property value to expansion. Second one, explore lease to own agreements, ensure 100% tenant retention and satisfaction. The fourth part is leasing and tenant management. Letter A is leasing strategy, target market, working families and professionals in San Vicente or nearby schools and government offices. Rent schedule is 4,000 to 6,000 per month based on market rates. Leasing procedures, background check, notarized lease contract, 1 month deposit and 1 month advance. Letter B, tenant relations, conduct orientation during move-in, maintain open communication lines for feedback, monthly newsletters or tenant check-ins, rent collections, billing schedules every first of the month, payment channels either the electronic payment, GCash, bank transfer, or in person. Penalties for the late payment or after 5 days, 200 pesos. Operations and maintenance plan. Preventive maintenance. First is monthly check on utilities, quarterly roof and drainage inspection, annual termite and pest control, collective maintenance, repairs log within 24 hours, 72-hour resolution window for non-urgent issues, service providers, janitorial, on-call local cleaner, security, the lock system and CCTV plan, landscaping and bi-monthly reprinting and checking, pest control, annual service from the licensed provider. Financial management plan, income projections, from the monthly rent of 6,000 is 48 to 75 pesos per year, estimatedly. The other income is non-currently, future portion or water resale considered. Letter B, the expense forecast, fixed cost, real property tax 1,500 per year, insurance 2,000 pesos per year, estimated variable cost, utilities maintenance 12,000 pesos per year, admin and repair fund 5,000 pesos per year. The budgeting, annual budget to be prepared every December, maintain reserve fund of 10,000 pesos for emergencies, monthly cash flow monitor. Risk management, fire insurance to be secured with a local provider, comply with PD 957, the subdivision in condominium buyers protective decree if applicable, RA 9646 Real Estate Service Act, National Building Code, local permits, barangay clearance, occupancy permit. Install fire extinguisher, smoke alarm, secure entry points in lightning. Administrative systems, documentation or record keeping, store list contract, digitally in print, issue official payment, receipts, maintain log of maintenance and tenant issues. Letter B, staff and personnel, either the caretaker as needed for repair and maintenance, admin assistant for rent collection and coordination, periodic evaluations by owner, use of technology, either Google Sheets for record keeping, Facebook page for listing and announcement, Gcash in bank apps for collection. Market and vacancy management, Facebook Marketplace, Rentpad, Lamoti listings, referral incentives 500 pesos per close list, open house every second weekend of vacant months, partner with local brokers and agents. Monitoring and reporting monthly reports, rent collected maintenance issues, occupancy report monthly occupancy percentage, maintenance report quarterly summary, financial report quarterly and annual, or expense report, key KPIs, or key performance indicators, occupancy rate greater than 90%, collection rate greater than 95%, turnover rate either less than 20% annually, maintenance response either less than or equal to 72 hours. Plan reviewed annually or as needed. Tenant feedback considered for policy updates, final revision, signed by owner and manager. On the part 12, annexes in appendices, they represented the fixed data. The letter Annex A is lease contract, which contain the lease agreement between the lessor and lessee. Kindly see the content na lang. Then the second one is Annex B, maintenance log. Started it July 1 for the roof, toilet, and front yard. Issue found minor leak, log drain, or overgrown. Gross responsible per person is assumed by the name caretaker 1, plumber Reyes, and landscaping team. Remarks completed, resolved, and scheduled again. Then, Annex C, financial statement by the quarter 2 of 2025. Income when collected from April to June is 18,000. Other income, total income 18,000 pesos. Expenses 750 pesos, 2,400 pesos, 3,000 pesos. Management and administration 1,200 pesos. Total expenses 7,250. The net income is 10,650 pesos. Annex D is property photos. Photo 1 is composed of original certificate of title. You can view it the first and second page for photos 1. Then the photo 2 is front view. The side view for the photo 3. Photo 4 is the dining room. Then the photo 5 is the stair going to second floor. Then the last photo is the kitchen area. And then the annex E is side plan or the location map. The aerial view from the Google map. Lot size is 239 square meter. Orientation facing Barangay Road is main dwelling approximately 80 square meters. Floor area, open space, front yard 20 square meter, side yard 30 square meter. Location, Barangay San Jose, San Vicente, Camarines Norte. The government landmark is Olopeda Elementary School. Then the coordinates is found in presentation in the link also. That's all. Thank you.